Imagine two monkeys. One gets one banana a day, the other gets five. After 30 days, who becomes richer? The answer feels obvious. But here's the strange part. Even if both monkeys work equally hard, one of them will still stay poor. Why does this happen? This simple banana experiment might completely change the way you think about money. Welcome to the banana economy. We have two monkeys, Monkey A and Monkey B. Monkey A gets one banana every day. As soon as he gets it, he eats it. Not because he wants to, but because he has no other choice. No saving, no backup, just survival. Now look at Monkey B. He gets 5 bananas every day. He eats 2 and saves 3. At first, it doesn't seem like a big difference, but after a few days, Monkey B does something smart. He plants those extra bananas and grows a banana tree. Now everything starts to change. Monkey B is no longer dependent on getting bananas every single day. His tree slowly starts producing more bananas even when he's not working. Meanwhile, Monkey A is still stuck. Every single day he waits for that one banana. If he doesn't get it, he can't survive. This is the first big difference. Survival versus growth. When all your energy goes into surviving, you don't get the chance to grow. Now comes the second difference. Risk. Monkey B can afford to take risks. If one day goes bad, he still has saved bananas and his tree. But Monkey A, one bad day means no food. So he avoids risk completely. He plays safe every single day and never grows. Now the third difference, opportunity. Monkey B now has extra bananas. He can trade them, connect with other monkeys, and create more ways to earn. But Monkey A never gets that chance. He is stuck in a loop, day after day, banana to banana. And slowly the gap between them keeps increasing. Not because one monkey is smarter, but because one had the freedom to grow and the other was forced to survive. So the truth is, people don't stay poor just because they earn less. They stay poor because they never escape survival mode. And once you're stuck there, growth becomes almost impossible.